Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
If lipedema fat doesn't respond to normal diet or exercise, then why should anyone exercise at all? Welcome back to Health Fact 10M, the channel where we explain real medical science in a way that empowers your health journey. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that affects millions of women, yet remains misunderstood and misdiagnosed for decades: lipedema. In this video, we will explore why lipedema happens, how it affects the body, and the 5 most effective exercises that genuinely help manage symptoms, reduce swelling, improve mobility, and support lymphatic flow. What is lipedema and why it happens? Lipedema is a chronic disorder where fat accumulates abnormally in the lower body, mostly in the hips, thighs, legs, and sometimes the arms. Unlike regular fat, lipedema fat does not shrink with dieting or intense workouts. This condition is strongly influenced by hormonal changes. Many women begin to notice symptoms during puberty, pregnancy, or perimenopause, clear signs that estrogen and hormonal fluctuations play a major role. Genetics also plays a powerful part. Many patients discover that their mother, grandmother, or aunt had the same heavy legs, easy bruising, swelling, or unexplained fat accumulation. Another major contributor is weakened connective tissue, which allows fat cells to expand in unusual patterns. On top of that, the lymphatic system, which drains fluid from the body, becomes sluggish or overloaded, allowing fluid to collect between fat cells, leading to swelling, heaviness, and discomfort. How lipedema affects women. Lipedema impacts women physically, emotionally, and socially. The legs often feel extremely heavy, as if weights are tied to them. Even light pressure on the thighs or calves can be painful. The body becomes disproportionate, the upper body may stay small or medium-sized, while the lower body becomes significantly larger. Swelling increases throughout the day, especially after long periods of standing or walking. Many women bruise easily because the capillaries inside lipedema tissue are fragile. Over time, mobility decreases, walking becomes harder, and daily activities like climbing stairs or carrying groceries feel exhausting. Emotionally, lipedema can be devastating because women try diet after diet with no success. They start believing something is wrong with them. The truth is, nothing is wrong with you. The medical system simply failed to diagnose you properly for years. But here is the good news. The right exercises can dramatically improve symptoms, even though they cannot cure lipedema. Exercise helps reduce swelling, encourages fluid drainage, strengthens muscles, protects the joints, and improves daily mobility. Now let's talk about the 5 best exercises that truly make a difference. Exercise 1. Aquatic training, swimming, water walking, water aerobics. Aquatic exercise is one of the most effective and gentle forms of movement for people with lipedema. Working out in the water removes the heavy load from the joints because buoyancy supports your body weight. This makes movement much easier and far less painful. The natural pressure of water acts like gentle compression stockings, helping the lymphatic system push out trapped fluid and reduce swelling. When you walk or move in water, your muscles work against resistance in every direction, improving tone and circulation without causing strain. To perform aquatic training, simply enter waist-deep water and begin walking slowly forward, then backward. The resistance of the water will challenge your muscles without placing stress on your joints. You can also swim at a comfortable pace using strokes like breaststroke or backstroke. If you prefer guided exercise, water aerobics classes are excellent because they combine cardio, strength, and mobility in a low-impact environment. Even 10 to 20 minutes in the pool can noticeably reduce heaviness in the legs. Exercise 2. Cycling, stationary or outdoor. Cycling is another powerful option for lipedema because it strengthens the leg muscles while keeping your joints protected. The pedaling motion boosts the muscle pump in the calves and thighs, which improves blood circulation and helps lymphatic fluid return toward the center of the body. This reduces the feeling of heaviness and lowers daily discomfort. Because cycling is low impact, it does not place harmful pressure on the knees, hips, or ankles. You can cycle outdoors at a gentle pace or use a stationary bike at home or in the gym. Begin with slow pedaling for a few minutes to warm up, then gradually increase your pace until you find a comfortable rhythm. The goal is not to exhaust yourself but to maintain steady movement that keeps circulation active. If traditional bikes are uncomfortable, especially for women with larger lower bodies, a recumbent bike is an excellent alternative. It provides back support, reduces hip strain, and allows you to exercise comfortably for 15 to 25 minutes. Exercise 3. Walking and elliptical training. Walking is one of the simplest yet most effective exercises for women with lipedema. It keeps the joints mobile, encourages steady lymph flow, reduces stiffness, and gently boosts heart health. The key is consistency. Begin with a normal, relaxed pace on flat ground and gradually increase your distance over time. Supportive shoes are extremely important because they reduce knee pressure and improve comfort. Even 15 minutes of walking can make the legs feel lighter. For women who want more movement without impact, the elliptical machine is a great alternative. The elliptical mimics the motion of running but removes the shock and pounding that regular running causes. This makes it ideal for women with sensitive joints or painful legs. When using an elliptical, keep your spine upright and move your arms and legs in a smooth rhythm. The goal is to keep your body in gentle motion, allowing blood and lymph fluid to circulate freely without jarring impacts. Exercise 4. Strength training. The most important for lipedema, strength training is absolutely essential for managing lipedema, even more than many women realize. Building stronger muscles increases your metabolism, which means you burn more calories throughout the day even while resting. More importantly, strong muscles support your joints, help stabilize your knees and hips, and improve balance. For lipedema patients, strength training improves lymphatic pumping because every time a muscle contracts, it helps push fluid upward through the lymphatic vessels. A great strength training routine includes exercises such as squats, lunges, rows, modified push-ups, and core work. Squats help strengthen the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, all major muscles that assist with fluid movement. Lunges help improve stability and balance while toning the lower body. Rows, done with resistance bands or a cable machine, strengthen the back and improve posture, which is crucial for movement efficiency. Modified push-ups build upper body strength without straining the joints. Core exercises like planks, pelvic tilts, and the bird dog strengthen the center of the body, making every movement more stable. The key is to start slowly, use proper form, and increase your repetitions gradually. Exercise 5. Lymphatic activation, rebounding, tai chi, stretching. Gentle lymphatic activation exercises help drain fluid, reduce swelling, and ease stiffness, all critical goals for lipedema management. Rebounding, which means lightly bouncing on a mini trampoline, is especially helpful. The bounce should be very soft, with your heels barely leaving the surface. This gentle movement activates the lymphatic valves, encouraging fluid drainage without causing impact. Tai chi is another wonderful option. Its slow, fluid movements combined with controlled breathing relax the nervous system and improve circulation. Stretching is equally important and helps keep the legs flexible. Focus on stretching the calves, hamstrings, hips, and thighs. Hold each stretch calmly and avoid rushing. Flexibility helps reduce morning stiffness, improves posture, and makes walking easier throughout the day. Lipedema is real. It is painful. It is often misunderstood, and far too many women spend years believing they caused it, but they didn't. This condition is medical, genetic, hormonal, and physiological. You deserve answers. You deserve support. And you deserve treatments that actually help you feel better. Exercise may not cure lipedema, but it can transform your daily life. It can reduce heaviness, improve mobility, lessen swelling, strengthen your confidence, and give you back control over your body. Every small step counts. Every gentle movement matters. You are not alone, and your symptoms are not your fault. If this video brought you clarity, comfort, or hope, please support the channel by subscribing to Health Fact 10M. Share this video with your friends, family, or anyone struggling with lipedema. Your support helps us reach more women who need this information. Thank you for watching, stay strong, stay hopeful, and I will see you in the next video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.